Everybody wants to invest in AI, but very few people know about this company which is quietly powering the AI infrastructure of India. Welcome to the Sunday Stocks episode number 5. Today's company is Cummins India. Now think about this. A single large AI data center can consume electricity which is equivalent to a small city. And according to industry estimates, global data center power demand could more than double by 2030 because of artificial intelligence. That's massive because every AI model, every cloud server, every ChatGPT query ultimately depends on uninterrupted electricity. And 1 minute of downtime in a hyperscale data center can cost thousands or sometimes even millions of dollars. Which is why backup power is not optional, it's a mission critical. And that's exactly where Cummins sits. Cummins is one of the India's largest players in industrial engines, power backup system and high horsepower generators. And the company is already seeing the impact of this shift. Management said data centers now contribute nearly 25% of their power generation revenue. That's extraordinary. Especially because India's own data center industry is expected to attract billions of dollars in investments over the next few years driven by AI, cloud computing and hyperscale expansion. In fact, Cummins management specifically highlighted that India's data center pipeline looks strong for the next 3 to 4 years with increasing activity from hyperscalers like Microsoft, Google and Amazon. And here is where the opportunity becomes even bigger. Large hyperscale data centers typically require generators about 2500 kilowatts, exactly the category where Cummins India already has a strong positioning. But this is not just about an AI story, this is also an India's industrial growth story. India's GDP growth estimates have now been revised upwards to 7.4%. Manufacturing investments are accelerating. Infrastructure spending continues rising. Commercial real estate demand remains strong. And power demand in India itself is growing structurally year after year. And the company also highlighted strong momentum across manufacturing, infrastructure, marine, railways, and industrial capex. And now comes our segment. What's the moat? Reliability. Because in industries like hospitals, railways, factories, and AI data centers, failure is simply not acceptable. And the businesses that become critical infrastructure to an economy often compound quietly for decades. That's all for today. Let's meet again next Sunday to decode another interesting business.